Phone ran out of storage, but we just put the bacon on the plate, put a pie on the plate, put the tea on and the coffee on. So
That's it.
that's it. But day 25 of van life. we messed up the day still now. I think it was day 21 yesterday, but day 25. All right, completely different day to yesterday. It is so much nicer now, but now we're gonna get into the actual Tekapo itself. Our first port of call is to try and get to the Tekapo Springs, and once we're there, it's not able to book it on the website, but I'm hoping if I just rock up, maybe they let me in. This is not a good look, by the way. Just balls of beer in the driver's seat. It was cold last night and I had a beer inside the front of the van when we were parked. Don't worry. Drinking and driving, bad. Here now, and dare I say, it looks extremely open.
It does.
And it's a good day for it. We can see the Lake Tekapo itself. Ooh. There's also showers. I reckon we start with the coldest and then get to the warmest.
So we start with how.
And the coldest is
how.
36 degrees, so it's not exactly cold.
No way. Aquaplane, 28.
Yeah, we didn't get that Aquaplane pass.
Did we not?
Cheapskates.
Never. Oh, that's amazing. It's so warm.
This is ridiculously hot. We're now at the coldest one, which is 37 degrees, but oh.
Wait 1 second. So good. It's so nice. It's so hot though. The last one was, I think, a little bit too hot.
Yeah, so it goes 37 degrees, 38 degrees, 39 degrees, but it goes from nice, really warm and nice to melting your bones. It's hot. It's not relaxing anymore.
You can see the steam coming off this one. The other one is just one big steam.
Now we should go into Lake Tekapo, be really cold and then come back in.
Actually, that'd be nice.
Yeah. $39 per person, and you're able to come in and out as freely as you like. When everything costs so much in New Zealand for these little things, it's a bargain of a price. Hello, word. What do you mean?
I was just saying that because of the chance that never's gonna happen.
Yeah, we're 100% going to Tekapo.
No, we're not going
We're
to
allowed to come
Tekapo.
back in and out.
Yeah, I know, but I'm not going in the lake and then come back.
Why not?
I'll wait for you here.
Okay. This is goodbye.
Goodbye. I thought, like, if in the hypothetical situation that Lake Tekapo would be next door.
It
is sort of next door, but you need to go out, walk on the back. Like, it's quite a walk. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'll wait for you here. Bye.
Okay. Reference how close the lake is. Huh? Hear random like alarms. It sounds like it's like a bomb alarm, but it's actually, and I just learned this, to call all the local firefighters, because it is, I think, permanently that live in Lake Tekapo is only 690 people. Down that's 690 people. Statistically, there's not enough arsonists to keep the firefighters in business. That is stunning. And there's just no one here. It's so peaceful. I think it was the wrong season to do that. It was actually not that cold at all. It was colder than the hot springs, of course, but yeah, it was still quite nice. Disappointed to know that went really well.
Did it?
Yeah, it was quite warm.
Oh.
It was underwhelmingly not cold. How cool is that top? It's so good. And all these.
Hair dried. What do you call that? Hair dried.
Yeah.
Dry hair. Dried my hair.
All right, we're all showered and freshened up after a lovely start to the day, and now we're gonna go to the church of Good Shepherd. Good Shepherd Church. Yeah, something like that.
Hey.
Which is right down the road, and it's on Lake Tekapo, and today has turned into such a lovely day. It's a great time.
Are you in love with Noah Khan?
He's playing the Celebrity All-Star game.
With, of course, Noah Khan on the background, as always.
Spot for a supermarket. Oh my god. Everything's more expensive here. Get back and save. Swap them bad boys.
We'll bring this back to where it's supposed to be.
Put down to our last gas canister. So if they go out, here they are. Ooh.
No, that's the price that we paid. We paid €8.
paid
We paid like
$14.
Okay, now it's $18.
Yeah, that's fine.
We can also get more.
Nah, that should be safe. Put it in the basket. Like that, $30 spent. Look how blue.
We're here now. It is really pretty. It's small,
But it's pretty.
but it's pretty.
Bit like you.
Yeah. Thanks. Just imagine there's no other people. I know, it's pretty, isn't it? Look how pretty it is. And then look how pretty that is.
I vote for the original, to be honest.
I vote for sunglasses.
We're having a new debate. I hate the stone stacking, and she likes it.
I think it's so cute. It's like humans wanting to play with stones. It's like going back to our primary wants and needs.
And I hate it because I think it just ruins the nature of the aspect.
Yeah, I get
Just,
what
it
you
should be
mean.
left untouched.
But I think like leaving cigarettes, which people do here as well, is worse than.
Yeah, I know, but look at this. I would just like to boot all of them little towers down.
I'll boot you down.
It's really not cold.
It's not warm.
Not a bad spot to have a coffee anyway. To cut our scenic chill spot early. Because I need to poo.
Are here and there is still space, it looks like.
Yeah, we'll fit in.
Yeah, they have parked terribly, but we'll see.
You mother of mackerel. Look at that for a camping spot. Just unreal. It's the best spot we've found. And noodles. For €100, which New Zealand rugby club produced the most amount of All Blacks? I'll give you a hint.
The Auckland
we've been there.
Raiders. The Otago Rugbyers.
Huh? You going Auckland or Otago?
Auckland.
Otago.
Is
Actually,
it? Fuck off. No!
time we've gotten one of these bottle caps, we've asked a question. Not once have we got it even close.
I can't believe
That
it.
was... I shit myself for a second there, I'm not gonna lie to you. Very busy, but we've still got the view. There goes the view. Doo-doo-doo-doo.
They know they were talking about that.
It stays. We survived.
They just pulled in, and I was like, "I'll keep looking at the view." And the people next to us are French, and they're French, and like, sort of, they understood that they had to like not bike certain ways, which was their plan in the first plan.
Tonight's evening entertainment is sorted because I'm cutting Shul's hair.
I'm so scared, but it's so dead. It needs a trim.
I mean, how difficult can it be, right? One thing's for certain, she's got a good view to look at while she gets her hair butchered by an Irishman. I'm not gonna lie to you, hairdressers everywhere should be terrified.
Right.
You're terrified, that's not important. If you look at it, I'm not sure what it's supposed to look like, but it doesn't seem too bad, does it? That's good, Nate.
Yeah, it's good.
It's like a piece of spaghetti.
Yeah. I won't question why certain parts are longer than others, but no, it's pretty good.
They're not, some are better. That's because you're holding them longer than others.
Did you do it like this? Or
Yeah.
did you just go like...
No, I did like up and down because I watched the tutorial.
Okay, good.
We just went to go for a pee. Look at this, it feels like I'm on an adventure. Wow. I think it's time for burritos for dinner.
Yeah.
Looks quite good, huh? It looks like I've added a bit of blonde as well, you know.
This is kind of dead. Have you got a minute? Can I try one?
Huh? It's not even been in the...
It's pre-cooked. Did you see that? I almost flung the knife at me.
Yeah, it was an accident.
Oh, I want a piece of that as well.
Stop eating the bit. Such a... Okay. Got some lettuce?
No, I'm okay.
Oh, God. You're full now.
It. Stop here. Look who's eating cheese now. Turning off the camera and then go munching.
No, that's different. The cheese is cut now and I cut too much. So now I have to.
You don't even know if you cut too much. You didn't put it in yet.
I feel it in my heart.
Injuries.
I don't know about this for a burrito, love, to be honest with you. But okay, I don't know.
Cholesterol.
This is already the most intense smelling burrito.
Oh my gosh. Surprise, surprise. We still undercooked the rice.
It's nice. It is just not a burrito taste. I reckon we'll give it a go. Oh, it's banging. Sunset.
Cheers.
To a mountain view.
Yeah.
That's actually not bad.
Is that?
That's really nice actually. The sun hasn't set on the mountains yet. So you can see the snow.
Very Lord of the Rings like.
It is. I'm worried not. Did you hear that?
B&B.
It's another day of this.
But we're on episode 15 and it's got 21 episodes including the reunion. So
Almost done. This is ridiculous now. Ridiculous.
unbelievable. I need a poop. I'm joking.